Hello guys, quick video. Got this Alfa Romeo Tonale. Battery died on it, showing all sorts of faults in the dash, so I'll just show you. Start it up into the ignition, power steering checked, tyre pressure monitor, hill start, everything under the sun, lane keeping assist. So everything's gone a bit bazwack on this one, all just because the battery was originally the battery was dying. They've had to boost it. It's come up with all these faults, so the battery's been replaced. The car has been sat for a long time. It is a 24 model as well, so as you can see, everything under the sun is showing up on here. Now it is a quick fix, so we'll show you what needs to be done. So on these newer models there is a secure gateway, so that has to be unlocked. So we've unlocked it through our Autel, and the faults it's coming up with, obviously there's loads of faults due to the battery being done, over 100, but the main one that's going to be our culprit is just there, C052900 steering angle sensor module calibration. So all that needs to be done is that calibration needs to be completed, and then literally it should be one clear dash. So we're going to go through that process now. So we're going to do the steering angle calibration just on here, and what we should see is we'll make sure obviously everything's straight. So here are the vehicle conditions that needs to be done: less than 5 kilometers, torque was under 3 Newton meters, and the calibration needs to be on there as a fault code. So that's just running through. It's going to make the secure connection through the secure gateway because it's unlocked. And then what we should see is once it's all calibrated, everything should go off. It's taking its time. So check the steering wheel is positioned at 0 degrees. So yeah, it's probably bang on straight. There you go, calibration finished without error. Click OK. So it says after OK, turn the key off, wait 5 seconds. So do that, turn it off. Turn the key on. Routine finished successfully. So what we should see now is, you can see on there all the lights have gone off, vehicle ready to drive. I know it initially came up with the other faults, but I think that's just a little red herring. We'll just do a bit of a restart on it again. And that's it, vehicle ready to drive. No errors. We'll take it for a spin, but otherwise everything should be perfect. No more lights on the dash, and she is ready to drive. Perfect. If you enjoyed that video, like and subscribe.